So today is the 4th of July. I took the bike for a little a quick spin, quick ride down State Road 13. Marlene stayed home. I think she was going to work out this morning, so this upper body and my shoulder is still kind of hurting, so I'll skip that one today. Anyway, decided to go on a 4th of July ride. I'm at Buddy Boy's country store. It's in the State Road 13. This is a very local country place. It looks like a really first generation Cracker Barrel, if you ask me. But I love that it's very patriotic, support veterans, and they have a few flags around and decorated with the red, white, and blue colors. So it looks like a cool place. Having a small drink, and then we'll keep on riding. See you guys on the road.